Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I will show you how to install F-droid and then Shelter app on your phone. Okay, we start from here. On your Samsung phone, you can scroll down your screen from the top and you can access settings. Sometimes settings also can be accessed from other places. Then you can search for auto block or the auto blocker. Auto blocker is a place that you have to deactivate before you can actually start your installing. Okay, here search for it, auto blocker, and you click on it. And now you can deactivate the auto blocker. So as you see that it will let you then to install more apps. And this is really helpful and this is really useful, and you have to do it before you can install anything on your phone. Okay. The second thing that you should do is that you should search actually unknown apps or install unknown apps. In this place, you can actually activate the ability to install unknown apps on your phone, and you should search for Chrome and then activate install unknown apps for Chrome, as you see here. I've done that. Okay, come back to the first page, you go to Chrome, and then you should search for F-droid. As you see here, the link is fdroid.org, English version here, and you should download it. So after downloading, you see I'm downloading it now, and after downloading, you should open it. Now you can install it because you have the ability to install unknown apps. So I wait for the app to be downloaded and installed. Okay, it's installed. Now you can open it. Yes, here you see you can now search for any apps, and we go to setting now, as you see, and we search unknown, install unknown apps, and you click on it. So this is the third step, install unknown apps, and then you should activate it also for F-droid, because then F-droid will install any app for you. So this is the third step. So we'll come back to the home page. We go to F-droid, and here you see that we have lots of apps. We can search for Shelter. You click on the Shelter and install it. I have installed it before, so it's actually installed already on my phone, but on your phones you can install it. We go back again to the homepage, and I suggest you, after that you have done that, for your security, you can again go to auto blocker and then activate it from here. Yes, activate it. You can actually leave it deactivated all the time if you want to install more apps. But for security, you can actually activate it again. So auto blocker is a very interesting thing. It can actually stop your system to install any apps out of the Google Play.